To take full advantage of non-peak charging hours, you can set up your ID vehicle charging times so that it only charges during certain times of the day, regardless of whether it's plugged in or not. First, select the charging icon. Then, select the Locations tab. Here, you can add and name charging locations such as home or work and define charging preferences for each. Select Add Current Position. Type in charging location name and select OK. Now select your new charging location from the list. For now, scroll down to Preferred Times. Select one, then use the dials to set your preferred start and end times for charging. Then go back and check the box for that preferred charging time. Your vehicle will now only charge during these times at this location. If you only want your car to charge up to a particular percentage during this period, scroll up to the slider and set your desired percentage. If the vehicle has enough time in the set period to charge to this level, it will. You can also set immediate charge. In this mode, the vehicle will begin to charge as soon as you plug the charger in, up to the desired percentage, regardless of the preferred charging time. This is useful if you want to have some range in the bag, but want to wait for full charge at lower prices. Go into the Charging tab and you can view the charging profile of the location you are at, allowing you to monitor your charging needs wherever you are.